Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get avatar frames in BGMI. Avatar frames are a fantastic way to personalize your in-game profile, making it truly your own. They allow you to showcase your unique style and highlight your accomplishments within the game. There are several exciting ways to acquire these frames, from participating in events to progressing through the Royale Pass, ensuring there's an option for every player. One of the most common ways to get avatar frames is by engaging with in-game events and completing missions. BGMI frequently introduces special, limited-time events that offer exclusive frames as rewards. Make sure to check the Events tab often, as these opportunities can appear at any moment. Completing daily tasks and specific challenges within these events will often grant you unique frames. The Royale Pass is another consistent source for obtaining stylish avatar frames. By purchasing and leveling up your Royale Pass, you can unlock a variety of exclusive frames as you progress through its ranks. Additionally, achieving higher competitive tiers, such as the Conqueror tier, often rewards players with prestigious, season-specific frames that showcase their skill and dedication. You can also acquire avatar frames through the in-game shop. Many frames are available for direct purchase using Unknown Cash, or UC, which is the premium currency. Some frames can even be redeemed using silver fragments or battle points. Furthermore, opening classic or premium crates, or participating in special spins, offers a thrilling chance to win rare and highly sought-after avatar frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.